In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new funded addresses in TradingView Pro. We'll move through this step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can add new funded addresses without getting lost in the interface. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and that you have a chart open, since we'll be working directly from the chart window. Once your chart is loaded, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. This is usually near the top toolbar above your chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is the main menu where you can search for and organize anything you want to add to your chart, including technical indicators, strategies, and, in our case, fundamental tools. When the Indicators window opens, you'll see several categories and a search bar. Instead of typing anything in, look for the section labeled Fundamental. This category focuses on data that's more related to underlying assets, on-chain metrics, and other non-price information. Click on Fundamental to expand that list. If you don't see it right away, you might need to scroll within the window, but it should be one of the main categories on the left side or near the top, depending on your layout. After opening the Fundamental section, the next thing you want to find is the Networks option. This is where TradingView groups tools and data related to different networks and addresses. Locate networks in that list and click on it. This will filter down the tools so you can quickly get to the one we need, instead of scrolling through a long list of unrelated items. Once you're inside the networks area, you should see an option called Add New Funded Addresses. This is the key feature we're looking for. Click on Add New Funded Addresses. When you do, TradingView will open the interface that lets you manage and add new funded addresses associated with your account or your chosen network. From here, you can follow the on-screen prompts to input the new funded addresses you want to track. Take a moment to double-check each address you enter before saving, since even a small typo can prevent the data from loading correctly. If you haven't signed up for TradingView Pro yet and you want access to these features, make sure to use the link in my description to sign up and unlock the full set of tools we just walked through.